Here's another cute and easy card using the Be My Valentine stamp set. Now, I told you that it was irresistible, and I love the matching papers and everything that goes with this suite. Now, I love the matching punch that goes with the bee. You just stamp the different parts and then you can punch it out and put it together. And it's neat because it makes it like three-dimensional. So we'll just put together the easy card base, and I'm going to have all the measurements and everything on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and there you can see the close-up pictures and everything. Isn't that cute? Just put the little trail where the bee was flying, and then we'll layer up the cute paper and the ribbon and add the adorable embellishments. They make me feel like spring. I just love them. So go over to my website and check them out. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you like this post and share it with your friends, and I'll talk to you again soon.